quick introduction to the program GarageBand. Look for GarageBand on your dock. It's the little guitar. It will say GarageBand above it. Or, if you don't see it, click on Spotlight in your corner and type GarageBand, and you'll see it starting to come up. GarageBand will take a minute to open, and then you should choose New Project on this menu, Loops, and then Choose. Give your project a meaningful name, maybe your last name, and it should automatically save in the music, and hit Create. This is what your screen will look like when it opens. Off to the right-hand side, you have what's called a loop library. In the middle, you have the main part of your song, and to the left, you have a spot for your tracks. You see that I don't have anything in my song right now. This top bar is called a beat ruler, and if you look at it, it has numbers on it just like a ruler would in math class. This ruler measures how many beats are in your song. To sample items in your song, you're going to come over here to the library and click on what you want. Let's say I want to start my song with a beat. I'm going to choose beats. I can choose other things if I want. And when I get some choices down here, I'm going to click on something to hear it. I can click it again to stop it. I'll scroll up and down with 2 fingers and try something else. When I find something I like, I'm going to click, keep my finger down, and drag that sound over here. You'll see that in the middle of my screen, GarageBand makes a new track for my sound and puts it here in my song. Now I'm going to add something else. I'll come over to the loops, hit Reset, choose what I want, and click and drag it over. Now here's where you have to be careful. I should not drag this sound on top of my existing sound. I should drag it underneath and put it on a new track. In GarageBand, what you see is what you hear. So as my playhead scrolls throughout my song, when I get to this part, I'm going to hear both of these sounds together at once. Here's what I mean. I'll use these controls at the bottom to play my song. This one goes back to the beginning, and now I'll hit play. And now I'll stop. You can turn that clicking that you hear on and off right here. If I put the sound on top of the sounds that are there, I won't hear them all at once. If I put this here, one's going to cut off the other. If I wanted to hear them both at once, I should have put this one underneath. There are lots of sounds to choose from, so have fun. Don't forget to hit Reset to get back to your full library. You can search at the bottom. And don't add too many tracks. If you get 20 or 30 things up and down, GarageBand will start to run slowly. Keep some headphones on and have fun.